A unique feature of KnowledgeSmart is being able to compare self-rated data with test results. The charts on this page present both skills ratings and KnowledgeSmart test scores, which can be individually reviewed. Information is also shown about the team, manager, and status. This is one of the heat maps in the report. It's on page 6. The usernames are listed down the left-hand side, and the skills of interest are shown along the top. The matrix cells are colour-coded according to the rating from 1 to 5, the key to which is shown at the bottom of the page. The user rating grader may be used to focus on specific ratings, improving the clarity of the heat map by hiding those ratings not of interest. The total rating for individuals and specific skills are shown at the column and row ends. On page 7, the heat map shows ratings from both user and manager side by side. The heat map content is controlled by the filters on the skill filter and people filter pages. The filters set here for technical software, and on the people filter page it's for the A team. There are 3 pages related to skills audit statistics. This is the Statistics 1 page. On the left-hand side are panels which show useful information about the level of usage of KnowledgeSmart for both tests and skills audits. The 2 bar charts on the right-hand side rank users by highest and lowest total user ratings. The Statistics 2 page provides a detailed analysis of skills resources. The central skill rating statistics panel ranks skills by average rating and number of ratings. The bar charts on the right show highest and lowest average skill ratings. The table and the charts may be filtered using the filter panels on the left. The bar chart on the Statistics 3 page provides a breakdown of the skills ratings for the organisation in total and for individuals. The gauges at the bottom of the page indicate the level of uptake of the skills audit and testing programme. Analysis of the training tags resulting from the skills audits identifies opportunities for learning and development. Starting on the training tag filter page, the choice is made to look closely at project types and all users who rated themselves just 1 or 2 in this area. The resulting chart on page 16 is selectable by individual bar. To find out who has ratings included in each sector, simply select the bar and the table above responds. The training tags radar chart presents the same filtered information in a different view. It too is selectable by project spoke to identify specific people in each sector. Tree maps display hierarchical data as a set of nested rectangles. Each level of the hierarchy is represented by a coloured rectangle containing smaller rectangles. Power BI bases the size of the space inside each rectangle on the measured value. The rectangles are arranged in size from top left, which is the largest, to bottom right, which is the smallest. The tree map may be reviewed on an individual basis.